Let's see how to import your existing leads and contacts into DocuProjects CRM. To begin, navigate to the CRM module and then select Import Leads. Here, you'll find a simple two-step process. Step 1 is to download the lead import template. This will provide you with an Excel file that includes all the fields supported by the system. You can enter details such as company name, city, country, landline, general email address, industry, and more. However, it's not mandatory to fill all the fields. You only need to complete the highlighted mandatory fields. You can also refer to the instructions provided at the top of the sheet, which clearly mention that company names must be unique and should not be duplicated. Once the file is completed, save it. Now, return to the Import Leads screen, proceed to Step 2A and select your Excel file, and then click on Step 2B, Upload Leads. If there are any issues in the file, the system will automatically highlight the errors along with the exact rows, allowing you to correct them easily and re-upload. Once the file is uploaded successfully, the system will automatically populate all your leads. You can view them directly under the Leads section.